Fridge is our friend, but is it friend for our health? It depends on what we put there. We present Fridge Body. He can remind us to buy healthy food, control the diet and be a real body for us. What kind of body? We choose it by ourselves. My bro.
What you said about a sandwich there? No dope until tomorrow, mate. I'm serious this time.
Mr. Butler.
Excuse me, sir. Would you be so kind as to hold out till tomorrow?
Funny Sonny.
We should be strong, dear. Keep in mind our new excess stress, sweetie.
Only you decide who is better for your motivation and entertainment. You can program your body for low-carb diet, detox program, sedentary lifestyle, anti-stress, diabetes menu, active weight loss. Functionally, your body is almighty. While you sleep or out of home, it scans the content of the fridge and informs you what is missing for healthy meal and send you SMS and also make a post on the top of your news list on Facebook. What do you want for dinner? 3 options: healthy dinner with minimal costs, average and max. Just choose. For example, the cheapest. It defines and shows you shops nearby where exactly broccoli are on sale, or shops on the way home. He can even do selfie and post it in Instagram to let you know what is in your fridge. We solve a number of problems, catching you in points when you are close to your diet fail. And your fridge body becomes your health friend too.